Hey guys, have I got something for you? These are UFOs at the space station on December 6th. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. This was just yesterday, and look, there's not one, but two, and one of them's going to do a big U-turn. Watch the little one. Watch the little one. There it goes. It's coming back. It's coming back. Guys, what's going on at the International Space Station? I thought these things were drones back in the East, in New Jersey and New York, but I don't think they are anymore. I've changed my mind. I was wrong. These things are 100% alien, and they went to blue screen. Did you see that? NASA went to blue screen. They cut the feed, and they didn't want people to see it. That is just mind-blowing. What the hell are they doing? They think they're stopping us? Look at that. They can't stop the aliens. That's alien tech out there going two different directions. Look at that. That's a close-up, guys. That's a close-up. Now, I believe some of these are plasma-based energy ships, not just regular solid ships. So it looks like, if there's aliens out there, they want us to see them, there's going to be more than one species. Don't expect one species, one style of ship. Don't think they're all going to be solid. They're all going to be the exact same, because they're not. And I'm going to prove that in just a minute. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at those UFOs. What comes to mind when you see this? What are you thinking is going on? And hold on. Before you just exit the video, there's two other things I want to show you. It's going to melt your brain. And I'm going to do something tonight. I'm going to go out on foot and hoof it out and prove to you these things are real. And I'm going to get up close footage compared to this. This looks like it was taken with an iPhone 1 camera. Now, yes, they did cut out the blue screen. However, why is there a little one? Why is there a little one that goes there, then comes back towards the space station? It goes away, it's going up, and then it comes back down. But the bigger one, it keeps going. It keeps going. And these are white colored, glowing. They want to be seen. They want to be seen. They're being seen over England bases, U.S. bases in England, U.S. bases in Germany, U.S. bases along the East Coast. They've been seen in Ohio, Patterson Air Force Base, and other bases. This was New Jersey. This was New Jersey yesterday, okay? Recorded by a TV news anchor, believe it or not. And this is the sphere. It's a plasma energy sphere. That is no drone that American make. That is not an Iran drone, not a U.S. military drone. That is nothing we have. That is far beyond it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So what I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to go out to, this is Hill Air Force Base, guys. I'm going to go out there tonight and see if I can record something for you in HD. I got a 50 zoom camera with another 30 zoom on it. Look at this. Look at the plasma-based craft they have. Those energy glowing spheres over there. I want to see if I can record that, because it says under that photo, a Fruit Heights resident says she saw around 10 drones Sunday night. Okay, this is Tuesday. She said Sunday night, hovering and emitting bright lights over Hill Air Force Base. Now, I'm just 15 miles from that base. I'm going to go investigate. I'm going to look into that, see what I can find tonight, maybe tomorrow night too. I want to see if I can get something. If they're at Hill Air Force Base, they're going to be flying all over the place in this local area, because there is a big airport nearby where I'm at. So wish me luck. Hit like and subscribe. Tell me what's going on. Obviously, these are not normal drones. Obviously, there's something else going on here. And maybe we won't find out until the next president takes place, and maybe he'll reveal the truth.